Hey everyone, and welcome to this life-changing journey. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and create a life you absolutely love? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to share 10 powerful challenges that can transform your life in just 45 days. These are the exact strategies that help me break free from fear, build resilience, and achieve the impossible. We're talking practical, actionable steps you can start implementing today. These challenges will push you, motivate you, and help you tap into a wellspring of strength and potential you never knew you had. Get ready to take some notes, because things are about to get exciting. Let's face it, rejection stings. It can feel like a punch to the gut, leaving you questioning your worth. But here's the thing, rejection is not a full stop, it's a comma. It's a redirection, a chance to refine your approach and come back stronger. For the next 10 days, I challenge you to actively seek out one rejection every single day. This could be as simple as asking for a discount at your favorite coffee shop, pitching an idea in a meeting, or even applying for a job you think you're not qualified for. What you'll discover is that rejection loses its power when you face it head-on. The more no's you collect, the less scary they become. And who knows, you might even get a few yeses along the way that you wouldn't have otherwise. So embrace the no and let it fuel your fire to succeed. Public speaking can be terrifying, right? The sweaty palms, the racing heart, the fear of judgment. It's enough to make anyone want to run for the hills. But here's the truth. Public speaking is a superpower waiting to be unlocked. For the next 10 days, find opportunities to speak up. Volunteer to present at work, join a Toastmasters club, or even practice your pitch in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. You'll discover your natural rhythm, develop your stage presence, and realize that your voice deserves to be heard. We're all guilty of it. That sneaky little voice that says, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "I work better under pressure." But procrastination is the dream killer, plain and simple. For the next 10 days, I want you to implement the 5-second rule. Whenever you feel the urge to procrastinate, count down from 5 and then immediately take action on that task. It's about training your brain to act instead of delaying. Get ready to watch your to-do list shrink and your sense of accomplishment soar. Financial freedom. It's something we all dream of, right? But it often feels like this distant goal. For the next 10 days, I challenge you to automate your savings. Set up a system where a small portion of every paycheck is automatically transferred into a savings or investment account. Start small. Even $10 a week adds up over time. The beauty of automation is that it takes the emotion out of saving. Get ready to watch your savings grow and your financial confidence soar. The snooze button is your worst enemy. This challenge is about becoming a morning person, not by force, but by design. For the next 10 days, I challenge you to gradually shift your wake-up time. Start by setting your alarm just 15 minutes earlier than usual. Use that extra time for yourself. Meditate, read, go for a walk, or enjoy a quiet cup of coffee. You'll be amazed at how much more productive and energized you feel when you win the morning. Reading. It's the gateway to endless knowledge, imagination, and personal growth. This challenge is about rediscovering the joy of reading and making it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. For the next 10 days, commit to reading for just 15 minutes each day. Choose a book that genuinely interests you. Fiction, non-fiction, personal development, whatever sparks your curiosity. The goal here is to simply make reading a habit. You'll be amazed at how much knowledge you can absorb and how much more enriched your life becomes. Finding your calm. Mastering your thoughts through simple meditation. Our minds are like a constant stream of thoughts, often racing from one worry to the next. This challenge is about incorporating simple meditation practices into your daily routine. For the next 10 days, commit to just 5 minutes of meditation each day. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. You'll be amazed at how much calmer, more focused, and centered you feel with regular practice. Breaking up with sugar. Reclaim your health and energy. Sugar. It's the sneaky saboteur of our health and well-being. This challenge is about taking back control of your diet and kicking the sugar habit to the curb. For the next 10 days, I challenge you to eliminate added sugars from your diet. Read food labels carefully. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods, and ditch the sugary drinks. You'll experience increased energy, improved sleep, reduced cravings, and a newfound sense of control over your health. Silencing the inner critic. Conquering overthinking. Overthinking, it's the mental merry-go-round that never seems to stop. For the next 10 days, I challenge you to become aware of your negative thought patterns. When you catch yourself overthinking, ask yourself, is this thought helpful or harmful? If it's harmful, reframe it into a more positive and empowering thought. Choose to focus on thoughts that serve you, not sabotage you. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and more joyful life becomes when you quiet the inner critic. Mastering your money. Achieving financial discipline. Financial discipline. It's the cornerstone of financial freedom. For the next 10 days, I challenge you to track your spending and create a budget. There are countless budgeting apps available, or you can simply use a notebook and pen. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards your financial goals. It's about making choices that align with your values and your vision for the future. You made it. You now have 10 powerful challenges that can transform your life in just 45 days. It's about showing up for yourself every single day and making small, consistent changes that compound over time. Take on these challenges, one at a time, and watch your life transform before 2025. I believe in you, and I can't wait to hear about your amazing progress. Now go out there and make it happen.